everybody, I'm Susan from Srstyle. Hope everybody's having a great day. Today is pretty wet and hopefully it's supposed to clear up this week, so we'll see what happens. If you're new to my channel, welcome in. Like, subscribe, comment, and share is always appreciated. And if you're returning, thanks so much for your support. Today I have a Character Warehouse haul unboxing. Come in a box like this. I'll leave the personal shopper information below if you're interested. It's Jennifer Burke from Florida. So let's see what she sent me. Got my scissors. And the thing with the Character Warehouse outlets in Florida for Disney, if you order items, sometimes you don't get them all at the same time. So you may get several boxes for the same order. So don't be alarmed if you don't get your stuff right away, because the outlet, it's just basically whatever they have at that time. So it can be a little frustrating, but if you hang in there, most of the stuff that you've ordered will come in. It's just kind of a tip if you're looking to get gifts, or like a lot of the stuff I get for my grandkids, I give away as gifts. I keep some of the stuff, but most of the stuff is for gifts, basically. So if it doesn't come in all at the same time, it's just the way it is. Alright, so we're in. She normally packs everything pretty good. Alright, add some paper. I'll just pull everything out just to make it easier. What that is. All right. Okay, let's see what this one is. I don't know. Oh, it's that styrofoam stuff. Ah. Alright, that's the Chippendale Ornament. That's really pretty. Okay. Yeah, I didn't know it came in that. Alright. Whoops. Oh, Chippendale's okay. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and wrap that one up. Oh, this stuff is crazy. Alright. Okay, Night and Air number 1. Sorry about that, guys. Alright, and I got some mini pins. These are pretty cool. These are so hard to get. I don't know why. But they're pretty popular. And some Notepad Set with the orange bird. So those are always cool. And these are the Christmas patches. Okay, and let's see what's in this here. Let's see what I got here. I got some cherry socks, kind of cool. And I got some Sleeping Beauty flip-flops. So these are going to come in handy for the summer. Alright, so that's my haul for today. After I clean up the mess. Whoops. Alright. It's the way it is. Alright, until next time, thanks for watching Susan from Srstyle from a senior point of view. And I hope everybody has a great weekend. Bye now.